Welcome to our channel. If you're a homeowner looking to enhance your property's value, you're in the right place. In this video, we will discuss exciting renovation ideas that can turn your house into a highly sought-after dream home. Stay tuned and let's get started. Are you tired of your outdated home? Do you want to increase its value while creating a more comfortable living space? Today, we will guide you through some transformative renovation ideas that will not only revitalize your home but also provide a substantial return on investment. Kitchen upgrades. One of the most impactful renovations you can undertake is upgrading your kitchen. Consider installing modern appliances, revamping cabinets with fresh paint or new handles, and incorporating a trendy backsplash. These simple changes can dramatically improve your kitchen's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Bathroom makeovers. Next on our list are bathroom makeovers. Transform your outdated bathroom into a luxurious retreat by replacing old fixtures, refreshing the flooring, and adding stylish lighting. Don't forget to create ample storage space with well-designed cabinets. Potential buyers love beautifully renovated bathrooms, and they can significantly increase your home's value. Outdoor spaces. Don't overlook the importance of outdoor areas when renovating. Enhancing your backyard or creating an inviting patio can add valuable living space to your home. Consider adding a deck, creating a cozy garden area, or installing outdoor lighting. These features will impress potential buyers and increase your property's worth. Interior revamp. Inject new life into your interior spaces by repainting the walls with modern and neutral colors. Update the flooring with hardwood or sleek tiles. Replace outdated light fixtures with energy-efficient and stylish options. Simple touches like these can transform the overall look and feel of your home, appealing to potential buyers. Energy-efficient upgrades. Incorporating energy-efficient features in your renovation plans not only makes your home more eco-friendly but also enhances its value. Consider installing solar panels, upgrading windows and doors to improve insulation, or replacing old appliances with energy-saving models. These upgrades will attract environmentally conscious buyers and provide long-term cost savings for you. And there you have it, 5 renovation ideas to enhance your home's value. By focusing on areas like the kitchen, bathroom, outdoor spaces, interior revamp, and energy-efficient upgrades, you can transform your home into a highly desirable property. Don't forget to stay tuned for more expert tips and guides. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for upcoming content. Thanks for watching.